Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make up to $200 per day with just one click of a mouse button. Alrighty, you're going to want to stick around and see this. Be right back here in just a moment and I'll get you started here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. As I told you a moment ago, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $200 a day with just one click of a mouse button. Hard to believe, isn't it? Well, just stick around. I'm going to show you how to do that here real quick. Alright, first of all, my name is Kevin Laner, and if this is your first time here to my videos, or you've been here before to my videos and you still haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and reach down there now while we're thinking about it and just click the subscribe button and make sure you click the bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on the channel. Okay, alrighty guys, well, with all that out of the way, let's jump right on into this. I'm excited to show this to you here. It's a very easy, simple method, and you can do this very easily with just a computer and an internet connection right from your home starting today. Alright, so we're going to come over here, as you see, over here to our Opera browser. First site we're going to come to here is called Upwork. Some of you may be familiar with Upwork.com and others of you may not be familiar with it. What Upwork is a freelancing site where people can come here and post jobs and get the work done that they need and pay for a certain amount for that. Alright, and all kinds of different categories in web, mobile software, dev, design and creative, writing, sales and marketing, admin, support, customer service, data science, and analytics, and engineering. So you can see it's a lot of professionals come here who need work done for them, and they can just post a job up on here and so on and so forth. Now it's free to sign up here. What you're going to want to do is to sign up on this website. It's free. Just click on sign up. It brings you over here and you can sign in with your Google account, or you can create a local account right here on Upwork. Okay, so what we're going to do though, but this is we're not coming here to post a job. We're coming here to see about helping people with jobs that are already posted. Okay, and this is how we're going to make some money. So what we're going to do is you come up here. When you come to the site, it's showing about people to post a job. But we're going to come up here and you see their search engine right up here. We're going to click that little down arrow, if you see that right there, and it drops down a little menu here, and we're going to come down and click on jobs right here. You see that? We'll click on jobs, and then what we're going to do is just type in here ebook. Press enter, and that brings us over here to this page, and you see all the jobs that people have posted looking for help with creating ebooks for their whatever their purpose may be. Now, as you can see right here, the filter is already set to US only. Alright, and there's 179 jobs, as you see right here, just for the United States. But what I'm going to do is turn this off and set it for the whole world, which, by the way, you guys can do this anywhere in the world. Doesn't matter where you're at. Okay, now you see that it brought up 1,342 total jobs found here. Now what we're looking for is people that need help with ebooks. Okay, this is going to be in the ebook niche today. If we scroll down here, we look and we see there's someone right here. It says right here, this person is ready, must be ready to work with me to our agreement and create and deliver articles assigned to them. They're going to pay $30 for that. This person here has a finished manuscript and needs someone to format it for a self-publishing as an ebook. For apparently he's going to sell it on Amazon and Kindle. It's an autobiography. This person requires the experience level is only intermediate. So you don't have to have any experience to do this. In fact, if you look down here, this person, well, starting right here again, this person's going to pay $350 for this job right here. But look down here, this person here says, I need someone to create a 30-day weight loss meal plan ebook. They're willing to pay $100 for that, but look at the experience level. it says expert here. You must be an expert. Well, let me put you to rest here right now. With the tool that I'm going to show you today, you will look like an ebook creation god. This tool will make you look like a greater than an expert to help you make sure that you get these jobs and get your ebook accepted and make that money. Okay, and as you can see, it goes on and on and on. I'm going to drop down here and hit 50 per page here, and as we scroll down here, we can see more of those right here. And here's one, ghostwriter needed for an ebook for Simply Keto for Beginners, 28-day meal plan, tasty recipes, and they're going to pay $150 for that. The entry level, experience level is just entry, so that one you don't even need experience with, but I would say with the tool that I'm going to show you today that's going to make you look like a total professional, you would probably get this job over anybody else. Okay, next one here, ghostwriter needed for an ebook about the coronavirus, 8,000 words, going to pay $60. Experience level is just entry level, and if we scroll on down, you can see more and more and more, and you can see what they pay. Here's a ghostwriter for 2 books, ebooks. Need help with looking for a professional ghostwriter, or maybe 2 to help me write my 2 books. I'm going to pay $500 for that. Experience level is just intermediate, and I would think with the tool that I'm going to show you today to do this with, that would be easy for you to get that job. So you can see right here, guys, already just on this one website. Stick around now because I got another website, and you want to keep watching this video too because you want to see this tool that I'm going to show you how to do this with, where you can just click with one mouse button and create the most fantastic looking ebooks, professional, just amazing stuff. So the experience level has no bearing on you at all at this, but you can see that you can make more than $200 per day with this. And here's one looking for a professional typeset on a book, 50,000 words, $250 intermediate. Print an ebook typesetter, $250. You can see that as you scroll down through all of these, it's just amazing the amount of money that you can make by creating or finishing these jobs for these people. And the tool that I'll show you again will pretty much ensure that you get the job. Okay, so stick around. I'm going to show you that here in just a moment. All right, now that's one site. That's Upwork.com. All right, you see it up here in the address bar, Upwork.com. Click on the thing here and click on jobs, and then type in ebook or ebooks, and you'll find this list right here. Now, the next site that we want to look at is where you can do this too, is called Freelancer. You see it up here, Freelancer.com. There, you see that? All right, come over to here, and you click on, it's going to be set to online job. Click, you see I put in ebook into the search engine here, and click search, and it comes down here, and it's people looking to translate ebooks into different languages. They're going to pay $750 for that. Translate an ebook into Hindi language, $14 on that. And these are jobs that you bid on here on Freelancer. You can bid on these jobs and get these jobs and make money. And then I need a book cover for a paperback and an ebook, $78, 17 bids, 6 days left in the auction. This is sort of like a bidding auction to get the job. And someone here wants to design an ebook cover. I'm looking for a graphic designer to design a high-end cover for my ebook. I'm going to pay $100 right there. 6 days left, only 10 entries on that. A children's picture book, illustration or illustrator for a children's picture book, print an ebook with colored pages, a mixture of half and full pages, 20 pages in total. And look there, $550 that you could make with this. And I guess I just flipped over. There we go, we'll come back here. And then here's an ebook, 14-page design, simple and clean. Going to pay $144 on that one. There's 6 days left in this one. And then it just goes on and on, guys. Look, here's an interactive ebook for a medical school course, We need to build a course that is based on about 150 pages of written text, including some charts, and we want to build this as an interactive ebook that adds many photos and graphics into the text. And look what they're paying, guys. $3,700, almost $4,000 for this job. Okay, and it just goes on and on. A 25-page ebook training small dogs with modern training methods, and there's $212 that they're going to pay on that job. Okay, write an ebook. 6 days left. Looking for someone to writer to research and write a 7,000-word ebook on various how-to topics, and $90 there. Write an ebook, 78. Ebook layout creation, 116. Ebook writer, I need someone to write an ebook for me. Going to pay $422. So there you go, guys. You can see on those two sites right there is you can get jobs an average of $200 a day. Now, what about that one mouse click that I was telling you about? All right, now I'm going to show you the incredible tool that you can do this with, and it'll make you look like an incredible professional. We're going to come right over here to this website right here, and it's called Scribble tool. It's generate ebooks on demand with new technology. This is a completely cloud-based thing. There is no software to download to your computer, no program or nothing like that. You simply do it all in the cloud. Create amazing ebooks and reports in 5 minutes without typing any words. And they've got a little video here about it. It create ebooks on demand, 50 hot templates, 300 style layouts, unlimited pages, sell to clients, easy to use, 15 niche categories, auto content writer. You get a commercial license and an agency website with this as well. You can see that the price of it is $67 right now, but if you look down here at the bottom, let me drag me out of the way here just a moment. You can see down here at the bottom right here, get Scribble for $27.47 off of that $67, and using the coupon March 2020. It says up here at the top, March sale, 41% off today, which is actually good for the whole month this month. So that comes out to you can get this particular software that will create incredible looking ebooks, which I'm going to show you what it can do here in a moment, and for about $39, guys. It's a one-time payment, $39 to be able to create these amazing professional looking ebooks. Now let's take a look at how what this thing can do. Some of the benefits of Scribble to you are easy to use, simple to use software with easy point and click technology. Create stunning designs, 50 templates to select from and 15 popular niches, 60-second creation. Create amazing ebooks and reports and white papers in just minutes. Instant content. Skip writing anything with our automated content engine. You don't have to write nothing. You just simply load up the information into it, and it even from a website, and it'll just do it for you. It'll format it, write it in, and do it all for you. You get a commercial license where you can sell your designs as your own and keep 100% of the profits. Guys, what I'm showing you today, how to do this on Upwork and Freelancer site, that is just only one way to make money with these ebooks. Now you can use your imagination and creativity and all the different things that you can do with these ebooks, like these amazing books that I'm going to show you here, how professional they look here in just a second. You can sell them on Amazon. You can sell them, you can just use them any way that you can think of to market these ebooks and make money just from ebooks that you create. That's a side job besides what I'm showing you, this method right here. Okay? So coming back here, and there's a demo here. I'm not going to play the whole thing for you, but I'll just play a little bit of it here to show you the amazing ebooks, how professional these things look here. With no sound here. Look at this, guys. Look at how good these ebooks look. That is amazing stuff. Look at that. That is professional as can be. Immediately you'll be a professional in creating ebooks with this tool right here. So, and it just tells you more and more about it. You guys can come over and see this. I'll have the link for this tool right down in my top of the description of my video here. Just come down and click that link, and it will bring you over here, and you can have a look at this tool for yourself. And I think you're going to find that this thing is really great for this method that I've showed you with Upwork and Freelancer.com, and you can make more than $200 with just a simple click of a mouse button. Alrighty guys, well that's what I had to show you today, guys, in this video here. All you got to do is come over and take action on this, and you can get started right today making incredible money with with the Scribble tool and the Upwork and Freelancer.com. Okay, and use your creativity for other ways that you can use this tool as well. Alrighty guys, well guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Make sure that you reach down there and click mentorwithkev.com there at the top of the description if you want to come over and check out my #1 recommended business, and you can have your own online affiliate marketing business up and running within about 15 days and be able to make up to $4,000 in just one day with your own online business. Alrighty guys, come over and check that out. Sign up on my mailing list and check that out, my #1 recommended business. Alrighty guys, if you got the value out of this video, give me a thumbs up down there, click that, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here. And also, if you have any comments or questions about this video or the Scribble tool, just reach down there below in the comment section and make your comment, and I'll get back with you shortly on that as well. Okay, alrighty guys, well I'm going to let you guys go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day today now. Bye bye.